Pixpa versus Wix usage experience. Links to both platforms are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll compare Pixpa and Wix, two popular website builders focusing on their features, target users, and overall usability. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which platform suits your needs best. Pixpa is designed specifically for photographers, artists, and creative professionals who need a versatile platform to showcase their work, manage clients, and sell services or products. Its all-in-one approach includes portfolio websites, client proofing galleries, blogging tools, and e-commerce capabilities. The platform is simple to use, with drag-and-drop customization and a wide range of responsive templates tailored for creatives. Pixpa also stands out for its client management tools, like proofing galleries and secure file delivery, making it a great choice for professionals who work closely with clients. Wix, on the other hand, is a powerhouse in the general website builder category, catering to a wide audience ranging from small businesses and bloggers to online stores and personal brands. It offers unmatched flexibility with over 800 templates, a highly intuitive drag-and-drop editor, and an extensive app marketplace to add functionality. Wix is great for anyone looking for a customizable platform, whether they're a creative, a business owner, or a hobbyist. However, it doesn't specialize in serving creative professionals in the way Pixpa does, as it lacks built-in client proofing tools and specific features for photographers. The choice between Pixpa and Wix depends largely on your needs. If you're a photographer, artist, or creative professional looking for a platform tailored to your industry, with built-in tools like proofing galleries and e-commerce for digital files, Pixpa is the better option. It's designed to simplify workflows for creatives, making it a more niche-focused solution. On the other hand, if you want maximum design flexibility, scalability, and access to a wide range of apps for additional features, Wix is a more versatile choice. Ultimately, Pixpa is ideal for creatives seeking simplicity and industry-specific features, while Wix excels in customization and adaptability for broader audiences. Check out the links in the description to explore both platforms and find the one that fits your needs.